Canva friends, it's me, Cath. Welcome to my channel. So for today, I'm going to teach you how to create a glitter text effect using Canva. Let's start! Hey guys, so I'm going to share how to create a glitter text effect using Canva. So I'm going to show you first the designs that I made yesterday. So after this tutorial, you will know how to create a design like this without using the frame from the elements. Before you start designing, you need to choose first a template. I'm going to use the template that I prepared yesterday. So let's start. I'm going to read first the instructions, and then later I'm going to show you how to do it. So the step number 1 would be choose a template. Step 2 would be search for blob in the Elements tab. Step 3, insert your text and make the text color white. Step 4, use the snipping tool from your computer and highlight the page with blob in text. You may also screenshot the page. Step 5 would be paste it to a new page in Canva. Step 6, select effects and remove the background. Step 7, search the glitter background in Photos. Step 8, position the glitter photo behind the blob. Step 9, select the blob and increase the brightness and contrast to 100. Step 10, download the image with transparent background. And step 11, upload it back to Canva and remove the background. So let's start. So I already chose a template, and the next step would be search blob in the elements. So on the left panel, you will see the elements, and then type blob. Then the next step, I'm going to insert a text. So to insert text, just press T on your keyboard, then you will see a text box. The next thing that we're going to do is to change the color of the text to color white. After changing the color of the text, we're going to use the snipping tool Then I'm going to highlight the blob with the text. And I'm going to add another page, and the next step would be pasting the blob with the text to another page in Canva. You may also use a screenshot, or you may also screenshot the page with the blob and the text, and then download it to Canva. So what I use is the snipping tool. And then now I have here the blob and the text. The next step would be I'm going to click the effects, and then I'm going to choose the background remover to remove the background of the image. Now let's check. So the white background was now removed. The next step that we're going to do is to search for glitter background on the photos. So it's up to you whether what color of the glitters do you like. So I'm going to choose this one. The next step that I'm going to do is to position the photo of the glitter background behind the blob. So it will look like this. Okay, I'm going to show it to you again. Position it backward. I send it to back. And then the next thing that you're going to do is to select the blob and adjust it. So click and then adjust the brightness to 100 and the contrast to 100 also. Now you're going to see that the blob becomes color white. Okay, so the next step that we're going to do is we need to download the image, this page 2, by clicking the download button, and we need to choose the transparent background. You need to have a pro account to do this. Okay, let's download it and let's wait. Then what I'm going to do is to drag the uploaded image to Canva. So no need to go to your folder to download the image. Just drag and drop it to Canva. So here I have the image of the blob and the text with the glitter. The next step that we're going to do is to remove the background. So again, to remove the background, you need to go to Effects and then choose the background remover. And let's wait. Okay, let's try to change the color of our background to white so that we can see it. So that's it, Canva friends. Now you know how to create a glitter text effects using Canva. So before, to create a text effect, a gold or a glitter text effect, we can use frame, the letter frame. And then let's try to pick a letter. Then drag the photo to the frame. But now we can create a glitter text effect using the fonts that we like. So it's up to you whether you like to use a script font or a serif or sans serif font. So again, to recap, all you need to do is to choose a template, search for blob, insert your text, change the text to color white, screenshot or use snipping tool, and paste it to a new page in Canva. Select effects and remove the background. Search the glitter background in photos. Position the glitter photo behind the blob. Select the blob and increase the brightness and contrast to 100. The next step would be to download the image with transparent background, then upload it back to Canva and remove the background. Congratulations, Canva friends! Now you know how to create a glitter text effect in Canva. So, reminder that you can only do this trick if you have a Canva Pro account. I hope you guys like this tutorial, and if you like more Canva tips and tricks, don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy designing! See you on my next video.